Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this liquid transition with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, first one, go to pen tool and let's make random shape layer. Click selection tool and move to center. And then go to effects presets, search effect turbulent displays and select this turbulent displays effect. Let's use for this shape layer 1. Then change amount like this. Okay, and let's make evaluation keyframes for this animation. And let's try change size like this. Okay, that's good. So we can use expression for evaluation animation, but I will use manual keyframes. Let's make evaluation. Let's press U for see keyframes and go to here. Let's change this 5. Let's see. Okay, this is very fast. Let's change 2. Nice. Okay, so we can change displacement here. Let's use bulge. Okay, or let's use twist. Okay, not bad. Let's try change size again like this. And amount. Okay, in this time, let's select the shape layer 1 and Control D for duplicate. Let's move to here and let's select pen tool, change layer style. Okay, and change size. Okay, not bad. Let's again duplicate layer with Control D and move to right. Again Control D, move to down. And again move to here and again. Okay, nice background animation. So let's select the shape layer and go to fill. Let's change color red and select this layer, go to change color to yellow. Okay, and this shape layer, let's change color to like green, and let's change this flat blue. Okay, and select this layer, let's change like this, and finally let's change this light blue. Click OK. So in this time, let's create new null object and hold Ctrl, double click this anchor point for move anchor point center. Click selection tool and select these layers. Let's link to null object and select this null. Let's press P and move to left. Okay, make new position keyframe and go to here and move to right. Okay, nice. Let's press N and let's see preview animation. Okay, not bad. So let's select this and move to left for fast animation. Okay, very good. So let's select this layer and change this point. Let's select this pen tool and change like this and select this layer. Let's try change like this for close these empty areas. And this layer, select pen tool. Let's change like this. Okay, nice. Let's select this and change these parts. Okay, very good. And select this layer, also change like this. And okay, very nice. Also, let's select this blue and let's try change amount. Okay, not bad. Nice. Okay, very good. So let me show how to change these all shape layers with one click. Let's select these all layers with null object and right mouse, pre-comps, and add name liquid transition 1. Click OK. And back to main composition. Let's see. Okay, and let's Control D and change this name to, then go to FX presses, search effect hue saturation and select this hue saturation. Let's use for this composition too, and let's try change here all colors. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Also we can change master saturation like this and lightness. Let's move to right and let's see, this is first transition and this is second transition and different colors. Nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.